This is our HonestBee Industrial 72-frame electric honey extractor. It is engineered for large-scale commercial operations. The entire unit is controlled by this advanced digital frequency converter. Here, you can precisely set the rotational speed and program the duration for a fully automated cycle. Once started, the powerful 1100-watt motor begins to spin the stainless steel reel. The variable speed drive ensures a smooth, gradual start, which protects your delicate honeycombs from any damage. The transparent acrylic lid allows you to safely monitor the entire extraction process. The controller also allows you to easily slow down, stop, and reverse the direction of the spin. Now, let's demonstrate the reverse function. The machine smoothly ramps up to speed in the opposite direction. This ensures honey is extracted evenly and efficiently from both sides of the frame. The massive drums and inner reels are made from durable, food-grade stainless steel. This construction guarantees longevity and makes sanitation simple. With a capacity of 72 frames, this honey extractor is built to maximize your harvesting efficiency. It is the ultimate solution for any serious commercial honey producer.